Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Chrome, / extensions and enabling developer mode. This gives you access to the extension ID and packing tools. Once done, click details on the extension you want and copy the 32-character ID so you can find its folder in your profile. Make sure you have a target export folder ready on your desktop or an external drive. Now, using File Explorer or Finder, navigate to the Chrome user data profile and locate the extension folder that matches the ID to begin exporting. Next, you locate the extension directory inside the Chrome profile. On Windows, this is in user data /default /extensions. On Mac, in /library /application support /google /chrome /default /extensions. Once there, find the folder matching the extension ID and copy the whole folder manifest. JSON plus all subfolders and assets, that ensures functionality when reinstalled. If you plan to transfer, compress the folder to a zip so you preserve timestamps and avoid partial reads. Finally, to use the exported extension, open Chrome, / extensions and choose Load Unpacked, then point to the copied folder. Chrome will load it as an unpacked extension. If you need a distributable file, use the Pack Extension button in developer mode to produce a CRX and optional PEM for future updates. If installation fails, check Manifest. JSON version and required host permissions, ensure file permissions allow reading, and confirm the folder name or ID matches. These common issues explain most failures and are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.